Yo, you don't know I mean this, don't. Harlem Ravas, cool no man. The clean fire, don't. You see me? Right now it's about me new dance called You Follow. Big up my team, clean promotion. My Earthstrong party I went. May 26 done. The thing shot, the thing clean. Big up all the sound man upon them. Matter of fact, no sound man, all the selector. You see me? Hosted by D and Brown and done. The thing mad. Right now, me the outer door. The new dance called You Follow done. The shot right now, you see me?
New York. Yo, me get down easy, fuck them easy. Them follow me like Twitter, them follow me like Jesus. And with the girl them a Madoka, the big bad Benz and not a Toyota. Police woman say pull over. She use her hand search me all over. Me think I better like a test to see if you sober. I never better like a test but she closer. Married woman come closer. Them say them all right on the bulldog.
I mean that, don't. It's a quick sneak peek of the video. It's just a sneak peek of the dance. Right now it's a shop on YouTube. I have to do a type in Harlem Ravas, don't. 2 new dance. Matter of fact, no 2, a few. You see me? The clean dance. You don't know how we go down. You see me? Clean. You see me right now? It's a quick promo video. Tomorrow we're there in New York, the Bronx. Christine Palmer. The thing shot. South Bronx with there. You see me?
Clean invasion, no.
Clean invasion. My brother, DJ Juice. You see me? We're there on the road, look. Yo, come here. Yo, say clean. Cool no man. I'm not gonna say clean, but I'm say blood clot, them clean. You see me? I mean that. Right now, Christine, you think shot with 3 T. With me, everything there on the tree. Except for girl, a one me have. You see me? But cool no man, clean promotion. You don't know the things so I thought it's set. We're there on the avenue now. The new dance called You Follow. Yo, one more time, You Follow, don't.
New York. Yo. Yo, me get down easy, fuck them easy. Them follow me like Twitter, them follow me like Jesus. And with the girl them a Madoka, the big bad Benz and not a Toyota. Police woman say pull over. She use her hand search me all over. Me think I better like a test.
Tomorrow, we're there at the Bronx. My brother Juice just let me say Harlem. Yo, far up on the avenue, do a quick video and do your thing. I'm gonna do my thing. You see me? Big up Team Clean, there, cool no man, everything sort out, everything plugged in. You see me? Mike and brother for life, we not sell out, don't. No man and wife, don't, cool no man. Juice, you don't know my brother for life, I swear to God, you got my heart, no money. You see me? Right now, Christine Palmer, you think shot. It's a clean vision tomorrow, which part? Bronx, New York. You see me? South Bronx. Me not go expose the address and something there. Me not go do that. You see me? Because it's a house. The house part over there, like Mick Millie. MMG would say. You see me? Peace to rock. My favorite drink. Right now, purple and pink are my favorite thing. You see me? Because I miss a girl. I miss a gun too. But right now it's about the girl them. But right now it's about my thing. When they ought to do, I do a quick promo for Christine Palmer. You think shot. Big up Tommy here. You see me?
Yo, what you mean?
Big up the whole team. All the sexy girls.
Them team, yo.
Big up the whole team. Yo. You see me?
Them
clean
team, I invade them thing.
Yo, tomorrow, clean promotion and invade Bronx, New York, the South Bronx. Yo, me not gonna give out the address. You see me?
No, man.
Can't
A VIP thing.
A VIP. It's a KIP thing. You see me? Clean, important people. You see me? And I mean, yo, Christine. It's a free promo. You see me? You're good. Trust me. And all them say to the world, look from there, I work. You see? With the outer door. See?
Working
Ah, you see that? Is it? There, man. She soon come in that video right now. Let's see that. Forward, me boss. Video that.
This is Lady D. I'm representing for King Promotion.
Man,
TV.
June 22nd. June 22nd.
June 22nd, White Eagle.
Hosted by who?
Harlem Ravas. I don't know.
I mean that down. June 22nd, White Eagle, 595 East Washington Avenue, Bridgeport City. Harlem Ravas, birthday bats, clean bats. I'm swagging, I'm surfing. Part few, the clean edition. When May 26th, Legend Social Club. And at my bar, my team, I go buy up the bar down. Team clean, coach. I see you, nigga, upstairs. Big up, thing tomorrow too. Ladies are blood clot. Ladies are there, Kingston, New York. Want to give us some wicked wine, but can't do that. Because you know why tomorrow, remember them, brother? Bronx, New York, Christine Palmer, you think shot, think clean. Look for me, don't. They're on the road.
Same way there.
You see me? I'm a cute. Blood clot. Who a ping me? That girl a ping me. But right, you know, not upon me. No ring payment. You see me? But we're not going to do that. It's a joke thing now. It's cool no man, because you know what? I love my fans. Yo. Share and like my fan page, Harlem Ravas, a.k.a. The Clean Father. Share and view my new dance, cause you follow on YouTube and clean too. Cause right now, clean, I still clean up the world, even though me there outer space and just what? Can't find a bomber clock thing. Like I always say because of bad boy. You see me? I'm soon cut, but right now, we're there at the cut. Which part Connecticut? Done. Clean it. Christine, you think shot tomorrow. Harlem Ravas did it. DJ Juice did it. Spraggerlex. Spraggerlex. Let's clap. Bigger Spraggerlex and new magazine, Vision. Think clean. All I'm saying. You see me? Right now, dog. There, man, I live good. You see me? One more thing. Share me new dance, cause you follow. It's up on YouTube right now. The boss. Don't homo. Share and like my fan page, Harlem Ravas, a.k.a. The Clean Father. Cause you don't know, I miss it clean. You see me? Big up Mike, my brother. Big up there, my mother, my cleaner. Big up Irene Silver. You see me? Straight from DC. The cleaner. You see me?
It's an MC, though.
Yes.
Spend Guinness, though.
Shoot at him. Let's go. 10 Guinness. 10 Guinness. Big up yourself. You're a real youth. No man can touch you and no girl can play you. You see me? Because all them there done. Same way there. You see me? Everything plug in. Never plug out. But guess what? On a jerk out, I'm a cut alien. Man.